Puck started during COVID in April 2021. Because obviously at the time there was um not very many restaurants open. We couldn't really go anywhere or do anything. So we opened the food truck. Had a much more basic menu. And so since 2021, we've kind of developed, we've moved location. We're now up in Portmarnock Sports and Leisure Centre, and our offering has expanded a lot. So we now have a sit-in restaurant. We also still have the truck. We make everything ourselves. We use local, we buy local, we support local, we buy the best quality ingredients that we possibly can get our hands on. And that was very much a very important part of the business. We found the results were really much bigger than we anticipated. So obviously it was very cost driven from the start. We could see there was the potential to save an awful lot, but it was the story as well, because our story is very much based on, you know, good quality ingredients and the best product possible. So we have to finish that off, in the whole cycle. So it was where the actual waste was going, what we were doing with that food waste. And we've very much been driven from working with Conscious Kitchens from the very start. It's now led us to look at, we're buying a composter to help with our food waste. And, we're going to use that compost on the grounds of the Portmarnock Sports and Leisure Centre. It's been really good for the staff learning that they've got an awful lot out of it, and also our customers, that they see that we don't use any single use, and they find it really fascinating that we have used compostable from the very get-go. I think our business has saved about €10,000 a year. There was huge challenges personally for all the individuals that work with us. They were very much used to, putting stuff into one general waste bin. They never separated waste. So to all of a sudden go from one general waste bin to separating food and recycling, and we don't use the black bin anymore. It's not even for us, it's for the generations that are coming behind us. We've been on to suppliers, getting suppliers not to send us in stuff in plastic or boxes. We use crates, we send everything back, and it's a no-brainer. And this should be something that we're all getting behind and all doing.